Can you
Yeah.
possibly get a lettuce leaf or a big-headed broccoli?
Yeah.
I was trying to do shtick with Perry. It was lucky to go ahead. But you have this fabulous juice, green juice, with almond milk. This is not store-bought almond milk. This is homemade almond milk. And Jody's going to show us how to make it because the fruit preparation at home is so key after you leave the ranch. Correct, Mundo?
Right, correct.
All right, Jody, what do we do?
Well, we start with soaking almonds from the night before, and you take, it's a 2-to-1 ratio, so you want to take a, this is about a 2.5 cup scoop, but it's 1 cup to 2 cups of water. And then we would add the water here, and I know this by heart, so this is already pre-measured water.
So you just
So we're
double
good
the
to
amount.
go. Exactly.
Okay.
So you want to go ahead and start slow and work your way up.
So that mixes quickly. They start off on the slow speed, and then about halfway, move it into high speed.
Yes, exactly. So that's about good. You can turn it off.
This is called a nut butter bag.
Yes, and this is what we filter it with. So you want to go ahead and pour it straight in.
And it comes right out of the bottom.
Comes right out of the bottom just like an udder.
You're like milking a cow here. How long does it stay?
It stays for about 2 to 3 days.
Yeah, and then what happens to it?
It'll start to coagulate and
Okay.
it'll start to smell bad. So
Okay.
you'll already know it's not good. Just by looking at it, it kind of separates and it gets a little bit chunky. So you'll notice that right away. And then you can always use this. We have this almond meal, which is really nice. And if you have a dehydrator at home, you can actually put that in the dehydrator with some cinnamon, some nutmeg, and put it right into there, and it'll dry out like a graham cracker,
No kidding.
which is really nice.
You can make an almond paste for your skin and give yourself a facial.
You sure can.
So where were the kitchen manager, John, who is really excellent at what he does, runs this whole place so beautifully. We're going to talk about making the shake for breakfast.
The shake. That's right. This is the essential breakfast shake that we serve to all the clients here on the ranch.
What is in this avocado shake?
Well, in this shake, we're going to be using lime, and you could put the whole lime in. You want to take the rind off, but leave the, you could take the whole thing, cut it in half, put it right in. And then we do a English cucumber, and you can leave the skin on, whereas the regular cucumbers, you would probably want to take the skin off since it's a little bitter. So we just cut that right up, and the blender will do the work for you. So you could do a very coarse chop on that. Then you could put in about a handful or 2 of baby spinach, sweeter than the bunch spinach, so you want to use baby spinach. And then we do 2 avocados. So these are already with the pits out. So take 2 of these. Put that right in there.
So 2 avocados.
2 avocados, yeah. And this is actually going to be the emulsifier, and that's what's going to make the shake thick and hold its consistency. Because this is the oils from the avocado and the fats from the avocado are going to be used as the emulsifier. And then the next thing that's vital to the shake are the powders and the supplements. So there's 3 key powders that we put in every shake. And that would be the BioLive sprouts, the Doc Brock powder, which is basically a ton of green vegetables. And then we have the hemp powder,
Yes.
which is also a young product. And we could put 1 scoop of these in. And then you could use the 369 oil or a flax oil or a hemp oil. And again, this is going to be used to emulsify. And about 2 tablespoons of that. And then ice.
Nice. A whole tray.
A whole tray of ice, yeah, which is...
And what does that do?
Well, this keeps it cold, and it gives it more of a shake type of texture. Salt, 1 tablespoon, which is roughly about that. And then about a cup of water. And what this is going to do is just get everything started and going in there, or else it's going to be a little too thick. And if you like them thinner, add more water. If you like them thicker. And then this is really loud and obnoxious, so I apologize.
That plunger really helps.
That's another great thing about the Vitamix is that it comes with the plunger, and you never have to worry about hitting the blade on the bottom. It's designed so it'll never have to do that.
Now this is all, it's all in the recipe book?
Absolutely. Both House of Health books, House of Health 1 and 2.